Tesla recently made headlines when it announced that it would remove ultrasonic sensors from its vehicles. Tesla's electric vehicles will continue their transition to a fully vision-based system with the removal of ultrasonic sensors. According to Tesla's announcement, it will be fairly easy to determine whether a vehicle still has ultrasonics. Simply look for the sensors on the front and rear bumpers of a Tesla, as this is where the sensors are located. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll take a look at why Tesla has removed ultrasonic sensors since the Cybertruck reveal. Curious to know? Let's find out. A year after announcing that Autopilot would be limited to vision only, Tesla has revealed that ultrasonic sensors and radar will be phased out in favor of cameras. Ultrasonic sensors detect objects at close range and were included in the original Autopilot suite, which also included a front-facing radar and 8 cameras around the car. As Tesla embraces a camera-based system, the small sensors, best known for detecting vehicles during parking maneuvers, are on their way out. We started our transition to Tesla Vision in 2021 by removing radar from Model 3 and Model Y, followed by Model S and Model X in 2022, the automaker said. Today, most regions around the world rely on Tesla Vision, our camera-based autopilot system. Tesla says ultrasonic sensors will be removed from Model 3 and Model Y, while the Model S and Model X will lose them beginning in 2023. As a result, Tesla Vision vehicles without USS sensors will be delivered to customers with a number of systems disabled, including Auto Park, Park Assist, Summon, and Smart Summon. Tesla intends to restore this functionality through the over-the-air update once Tesla Vision achieves parity with ultrasonic sensors. In addition to the removal of USS, we have simultaneously launched our vision-based occupancy network, which is currently used in full self-driving beta to replace the inputs generated by USS, the automaker explained. With today's software, this approach provides Autopilot with high-definition spatial positioning, longer-range visibility, and the ability to identify and distinguish between objects. Tesla has famously avoided using more sensors, including LiDAR, in its Autopilot and FSD systems, putting it in the minority in the autonomous tech industry. Other automakers and developers, on the other hand, have chosen to incorporate as many types of sensors as possible, allowing them to reduce the cost of several critical sensors. Vehicles with Level 3 capability, which will be available soon, will use new solid-state LiDAR sensors, which have become much more affordable over time. Critics of Tesla's decision have pointed out that a camera-only approach renders driver assist systems nearly useless at night, and that the absence of LiDAR is a cost-cutting measure at its core. Dropping ultrasonic sensors is seen by some industry observers as another cost-cutting measure. Relying on cameras places a greater emphasis on developing software to interpret two-dimensional images. It's worth noting that no Level 3 or Level 4 system is currently in development, with automakers attempting to pack as many sensor types as possible into Level 4 robotaxis. Some industry observers interpret Tesla's plan to rely on cameras as confirmation that Autopilot and FSD will not advance beyond SAE Level 2 capability, as the automaker has previously admitted to regulators, necessitating constant driver attention. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, sources say that there have been indications for some time that Tesla is planning to remove ultrasonic sensors from its vehicles. In fact, prototypes of the Cybertruck, the first vehicle to use Tesla's Hardware 4.0 computer, appear to lack ultrasonic sensors entirely. Images of the Cybertruck that have been shared online show this, and it appears to be true both for the original hulking prototype unveiled in late 2019 and the newer prototypes that have been spotted at multiple events this year. Both vehicles' bumpers do not appear to be equipped with ultrasonics, and both have a camera on their bumpers. While some may argue that Tesla could have simply retrofitted ultrasonic sensors to the production Cybertruck, this would have been a difficult task given the pickup truck's thick steel exoskeleton. With this in mind, or at least based on the Cybertruck prototypes, the all-electric truck does not appear to have been designed with ultrasonic sensors in mind at all. Surprisingly, Tesla appears to be putting a lot of effort into the Cybertruck's camera setup. A rather battered but updated Cybertruck prototype was spotted being uploaded from a truck in late August. The vehicle in question was outfitted with what appeared to be camera calibration equipment, implying that Tesla is finalizing the camera setup for the all-electric pickup. The presence of apparent imaging equipment on the Cybertruck prototype has led Tesla enthusiasts to speculate that the electric vehicle manufacturer is still hard at work finalizing the vehicle's camera setup. This makes sense, especially given that the Cybertruck is unlike any other electric vehicle produced by Tesla to date. What's also intriguing about the recently photographed prototype is that it appears to have just completed some extreme real-world tests. The all-electric pickup truck was caked in dirt, and the rear fender appeared to be beaten up. These appear to indicate that Tesla is putting the Cybertruck through its paces before releasing it. This is good news for the all-electric pickup truck, as durability is one of its main selling points. Musk recently also revealed some details about the Cybertruck's planned boat mode. Musk's ideas were actually quite practical, making the concept of a seafaring Cybertruck seem quite feasible. As a response, Musk shared his ideas on Twitter, estimating that the channel route to South Padre Island from Starbase would take about 15 to 25 minutes. This is assuming that Cybertruck crosses the channel at a speed of 3 to 10 knots. Musk replied to a post stating that an electric propeller mounted on the Cybertruck's tow hitch would allow the all-electric pickup to travel at speeds greater than a few knots. Musk also stated that a novel hub design would most likely assist the Cybertruck in generating thrust in the water. To go faster than a few knots, you'd need an electric propeller mounted on the tow hitch. There could be a clever wheel hub design that can generate significant thrust, Musk wrote. Musk's ideas for the Cybertruck's boat mode may appear simple, but they would almost certainly necessitate a significant amount of work on Tesla's part. After all, the Cybertruck is bound to be a heavy vehicle, so designing a propeller that can be mounted on the tow hitch and capable of pushing the vehicle on water would be a challenge. The same is true for wheel hub designs that can produce thrust. Many people were skeptical when Elon Musk announced that the Cybertruck would be able to cross the channel from Starbase to San Padre Island. However, given that the vehicle would only have to cross a 477-meter channel, the idea appeared feasible. As Musk mentioned, the Cybertruck would need to be waterproof enough to function as a boat for a short period of time. Musk's recent comments about the Cybertruck's boat mode have prompted warnings from the government agencies like the Washington State Department of Natural Resources. When Elon Musk unveiled the Tesla Cybertruck, he emphasized that the vehicle is built to last. Its stainless steel frame was demonstrated by Tesla Chief of Design Franz von Holzhausen hitting the vehicle's door with a sledgehammer. Even its windows, made of Tesla armor glass, are quite durable, though they did crack when hit by a steel ball. The Cybertruck is marketed as a vehicle that can also be used for work, so it must be extremely durable. The wait for the Cybertruck has been relatively long, but those who have placed orders will most likely only have to wait a little longer. The Gigafactory Texas, where the pickup truck will be manufactured, is already operational. IDRA has already completed the vehicle's 9,000-ton Gigapress. Elon Musk has stated that the Cybertruck will go into production next year. The vehicle's sightings and the progress of Giga Texas indicate that this is indeed the case. And with that being said, it's time to end our video, but before that, we'd like to know what are your views about the ultrasonic sensors. Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.